contributing in the previous studio session, Ivar, but we get this question a lot, whether the contributions have to be specifically about specifications or code. Is that the case?
No, you can contribute anything, and it's kind of weird thing to say that, yeah, you can contribute anything, because what is anything? And I mean, one contribution is actually just showing your support. So if you have meet us at a conference and get a sticker from us, just putting it on your laptop, that's contributing to spreading our brand and
yes,
out there. So it can be as easy as that. If you want to contribute things, the easiest way is obviously, as we talked about, code and do it on GitHub.
Right.
But you can help us write some documentation. You can file a bug if you find something. You can talk about what you need for improvements. Some projects need some graphics like logos and stuff. So there are multiple ways of
or even a blog, right?
Even a blog post,
exactly.
or a post on social media.
Exactly. So every contribution matters, right?
Yes.
And to make things easier, this year we actually launched a new program, mentorship program, which is going to make it easier for everyone who wants to start contributing to Jakarta EE, but they don't know where to start from, right? So they can actually get guidance from the community experts.
Yeah, and a huge shout out to Ottavio, who had a talk earlier here today, but he is our first community mentor, and he helps supporting new contributors and help them onboard to projects and stuff. And we actually have a short video from him where he talks about this program.
Yeah.
So let's roll that one.
Yeah.
When we talk about software engineering career path, we need to understand several points and capabilities. Naturally, the first one is about there is no magic involved. That means a career path is a long-term investment where we need to increase our capabilities, if possible, every single day. When we talk about capabilities, we usually go to skills that we summarize on two types. The hard skill, the most known capabilities where we as software engineer spend a lot of time, the capabilities of writing code, writing tests, writing software architecture, and so on. So this one is precise. When you go to the soft skill, on the other hand, it is the most forgetting and underestimate skill. However, it is crucial for us as software engineer to increase that skill to move forwards, especially because soft skill is not because it is easy, but because it is flexible. On soft skill, we will understand our capability to communicate with our colleagues and also non-technical people such as directors, managers, and so on. So soft skill and hard skill both are crucial to move your career forward. It is impossible to only have the soft skill and only have the hard skill. Join both. We need to think more also about the impact and the result that you are making along your career. To get the stage of understand that the best job is not the job that we're looking for. It is when the job is start looking for you because people trust in you, people know that you can do, especially because you increase your reputation. So congratulations, you get of that stage. One way to achieve that stage of your career naturally is using and exploring more open source. Yes, you can join on the number of contributors inside Jakarta EE or the Enterprise Java. Doing that, you can enhance both soft skill and hard skill. And the hard skill, you can learn with the best. So you can join discussions with the best software engineer in the globe, join the best tech companies around the globe as well. You can participate in, give your thoughts, and talk directly to the people who is defining the future of the Enterprise Java. I mean, let's get better. You can be part of this team who is defining the future of the Enterprise Java right now, contributing to the Jakarta EE. So you can enhance your capability of writing tests, writing code, understanding more software design and software architecture. And it goes beyond. You can have opportunities to practice your communication and your soft skill using those open source, doing presentation around the globe and remotely about those specifications that you are contributing with. So imagine that you are joining one specification, you can write articles, you can do presentations, so you can enhance your communications, writing and doing presentation. Furthermore, you can also learn a new language. For example, I'm Brazilian. Right now, I'm practicing English every day, and I got a job that I need to speak English every day. Thank you for the open source. So open source can help you with both soft skill, hard skill. Furthermore, can help you to make a huge impact in the whole globe. Imagine right now you put in your resume or your LinkedIn, mention that you are creating the Java enterprise with Jakarta EE, right? So it is an amazing opportunity to you move your career forward, contributing to open source. At the same time, you are impacting the whole enterprise Java platform. So join us. We have a good step to it. We have a mentorship that can help you to move your career forward. And we are super glad to have you being part of this amazing team.
So whether you're new to open source or looking for any ways to deepen your knowledge and involvement, there's a place for you in the Jakarta EE community. And we also have some new stuff coming, a new Learn page. So right. Shabnam, why don't you tell us about that one?
So earlier this year, we launched the Learn page. As you can see on the screen, it's really becoming our one-stop destination for all the informations around Jakarta EE. So if you are a developer who wants to get started or you just want to find information about Jakarta EE, this is your page to find that information. As you can see, there are a number of specification guides, starter guides, videos that you can find there, and we are actively working on adding more content there. But Ivar, what are the updates? I saw Get Started there. What are the updates about that?
Yeah, so we created a starter page where you can generate projects. Mm-hmm. We did some UI refresh there earlier this year, so it's aligned with the other web pages we have. And we also created a page that describes how you can use it to generate a project.
Yes, so stay tuned. We are going to have more content there. But also, I think now is a good opportunity for them to let us know what type of contents they want to see more. Is it the guides? Are the videos more helpful? So do let us know in the chat section what type of content you're looking for.
Yeah, we maybe even have a poll question about that coming up.
Yes, that's
I'm not
true,
sure.
Actually. Yeah. We might have. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So...
yeah, so let's switch gears and talk about Java user groups. Ivar, have you been traveling to any jugs this year?
Yes, I have. Not as many as I planned to, but I did go to Madrid in the beginning of the year. Then I was at the East Coast in the US, where I went to New York, Connecticut, and Boston. Okay. And I also, next week, I'm going to Paris to speak at the jug there. So nice. Hopefully next year I can go to more Java user groups. So any Java user groups out there that want to have us visit and come and do a talk, let me know and we will make it happen.
Yes, exactly. And we want to see that level of engagements with our community for sure. So that's why we actually launched this new basically open community meetup program that enables the Java user groups to be able to organize some Jakarta EE themed meetups by leveraging on the working group. So I think that's one of the initiatives that we launched this year, and we have seen some good, it was pretty well received, isn't it?
Yes, and we've had them in Japan, China, and New York, and the other places.
I think next year we will have more.
Yeah, we should have more. And yes. We want to cover all continents.
Exactly.
So wherever you are, don't be shy. Yes. Just ask us and we will see if we can make it happen.
That's right. So talking about the community, we actually have interviewed a few of them. So let's take a look and see what they have to say.
I would say maybe 30 right now on the slide.
Okay, well, I don't want to tell you anything. We'll see. We'll reveal that later on.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a good question. 29, maybe?
Oh, am I so? Oh, haha. A lot? Is that a good answer? Is that a good number? Let me think. I have the picture of the list, so I mean, I don't know, 40?
Oh, well, in all the fields, well, it's probably just for the Java side of things, probably gonna exceed 100, but I don't know the exact number. Like in total, including all the efforts that are been there, like open hardware and stuff, I think they're way more than that, like, I don't know, 300.
How many specs in Jakarta? 21. I think it's more. I just said a number. I think it's more than 21 actually. So this is quite long. Yeah, but I say 21. So what's the correct answer? Okay, I need to look it up. But that's good. You can look it up on the Jakarta.ee page. I like that URL, Jakarta.ee. Actually, and there you see a list of all the specs.
Roughly about 30 plus. So most people don't really realize that. They look at the Jakarta EE spec release diagram and they think, it's something about a dozen plus or minus, but actually it's a bit more than that because a lot of the specs are broken down into smaller components. I don't know the exact number, but it will probably be in the 32 to 35 range would be just about right.
The first spec. I have no clue.
I actually have it on my slides, but I don't remember exactly right now. I do have it on my slides. I should have looked at those.
Core profile is around 10, a little bit. So this is JAX-RES, JSON-P, JSON-B, bean validation, I think. And so around less than 10.
Bean validation and Adam Bean, that goes really well together. Thank you so much.
Thank you a lot.
The core profile has 3 or 4, kind of.
10.
In the core profile, I think they're less than 10.
Again, most people will probably readily answer 4 or 5 because that's what's in the diagram at a high level. Those are the 4 or 5 specs that are in the quote-unquote core profile. But again, because some of the specs are actually broken down into subcomponents or sub-specifications, it's probably along the lines of about 10 in the 10 neighborhood or so.
Oh, my favorite Jakarta EE swag must be the socks, which I got today. And yeah, I do have a t-shirt as well, but socks are definitely my favorite.
My favorite Jakarta EE swag. So actually this year you have new socks and they look quite good. So I have the all Jakarta EE socks that are a little bit too small for me, but the new one look bigger. So I hope they fit. Oh, and I have a hoodie from Jakarta EE. I like that one too, yeah.
The socks. Yeah, socks when they came out were great. And over the course of many events, I've actually gotten socks from Jakarta EE and IBM and other people, and they're all very colorful. But I love the purple socks from Jakarta EE.
My favorite swag. It's interesting. I like wearing scarves. It's a nice little accessory. You can put it on top and kind of make a statement. I think it would be cool to make like a Jakarta EE branded scarf. It doesn't exist yet, but I guess we could take that idea and implement it.
Ooh, t-shirts?
Ooh, oh, that is a hard. Well, I mean, this jacket, does that count? I mean, this is my travel jacket. I love it.